I have really missed seeing you during this pandemic, and so the reason why I put this together is because I wanted to be able to provide information that I would normally be able to tell you in person, but this is kind of the next best thing. What I will be doing here for you is outlining something fun for a change, and that is how to go through an aromatherapy facial at home. So that's partly why this is existing, is for your benefit, so you can do something fun and invest in your own mental health and self-care at this time, which is actually quite important. So please take care of yourself. I want to help you do that. We're going to have some fun. The other reason for this series is just so that you can have product information. I'll be showing you products that are available through Nature Notes, the benefits of each of them, how to apply them, how much to use when you're using the product, just information that I would normally be able to tell you. Now you can have it all in one place and access it whenever you want to.